Okay, so we are back and ready to roll. I'm going to go through these problems 1 and problem 2 on this next video. I know it's a lot, so I'm breaking it up for you guys. We're going to practice this. Problem 1. Are 15 grams of chlorine gas enough to totally replace the bromine in 30 grams of sodium bromide? So here we are comparing 30 grams of sodium bromide to see if we are going to use up or need 15 grams of chlorine gas. So this is just a new way of approaching these problems. So my given is going to be 30 grams of sodium bromide, which is NaBr. And I'm trying to find my grams of chlorine that I need. Okay, hope you can see this. I know I said there's 2 givens and finds, but we can think about this. If we start with 15 grams of chlorine, we're going to sodium bromide. That's not going to tell us what we want to know. We need to know, will 15 grams be enough? Okay, so same process. I'm starting with my given. I can put this over a 1 if I feel the need. And then I'm setting this up. I know grams of NaBr goes on the bottom with 1 mole of NaBr on the top. I've done some calculations before to determine the molar mass of sodium bromide is 102.89 grams per mole. Now I'm ready to go into my mole ratio. I'm still using this balanced equation, so mole NaBr on the bottom, we're going to chlorine, so mole chlorine on the top. 2 goes with my NaBr, and 1 goes with my chlorine. Again, we're going grams to grams. This is nothing new, just a different way of thinking about these problems. I'm going to put 1 mole of chlorine on the bottom, grams of chlorine on the top, and that is 70.9. Again, I've done some math beforehand to set me up so I can shorten this video, and my answer is 10.34 grams of chlorine are needed. This is where that need comes in, okay? Needed. So, is 15 grams of Cl enough? What do you think? If we only need 10.34, will 15 be enough? Yes, 15 grams is enough. We're going to go through another one, okay? Flip your paper. We love these built-in problems. Same type of deal. Will 100 grams of copper completely replace all of the silver in 200 grams of silver nitrate? Now, let me just do this. Yeah. We are trying to figure out how much of this copper will replace the silver, okay? This is a single replacement. We just need to figure out if 100 grams is enough, okay? So basically, we're finding how much copper we need. So this given will be 200 grams of our silver nitrate, our AgNO3, and what we're finding, grams of copper. Okay, so here we go. Start with what you are given. Pop that over a 1, and we're setting up. Okay, so the molar mass of silver nitrate is 169.88 grams, and that is for every 1 mole of that silver nitrate that we have. This step is called the mole ratio. So we have 1 mole to 1 mole with copper on the top, silver nitrate on the bottom, and then we're going into mass. You have 1 mole of copper on the bottom and 63.55 grams of copper on top. When you do this math out, and you should because we're practicing, you're going to determine that 37.41 grams of copper are needed. So the question, will 100 grams be enough? You tell me. If we need 37.41 grams, will 100 grams be enough? You betcha.